Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Two guys create leather from cactus will save 1 billion animals killed for fashion. Eating an apple every day protects heart health, helps in reducing weight and lowers the risk of diabetes. Shakuntala Devi booked a world record after she multiplied two randomly selected 13-digit numbers in 28 seconds. Two skeleton, a woman clutching a child to her chest preserved in a mud floor in Tibet for 4,000 years. This city in Malaysia called Genting Highland looks like a city above the sky from distance. Thus, the smell of chocolate can be calming and help you relax. Lack of sleep causes the brain to remember events incorrectly. A Colombian woman was raised by monkeys after being kidnapped and abandoned in the forest as a child. 25 million cells of your body died and were replaced while you were reading this sentence. Mike Tyson once offered a zookeeper $10,000 to let him fight a gorilla. A family in Oregon, USA was surprised when their cat gave birth to a rare two-faced kitten. A Japanese soldier stayed hidden for 28 years after World War II ended because he did not know the war was over. George Stinney Jr. was the youngest person sentenced to death in the 20th century in the United States. Author J.K. Rowling lost her billionaire status because she donated a lot of money to the charity. A selfie taken at the top of Mount Everest destroys the flat earth theory once and for all. Lava to shift operations from China to India, invest Rs 800 crore in 5 years. Black Panther is the best superhero movie to earn an Oscar Best Picture nomination. Japan has more than 50,000 people who are over 100 years old. There are no children or kids in any of Grand Theft Auto game. Child playing the violin of his teacher's funeral who helped him escape poverty and violence through music. Martin Dorello was also known as the human owl. Only the males are called peacocks, female are called peahens. Jio logo is a mirror reflection of the word oil. It shows Reliance's journey from oil and petroleum industry to telecom and communication industry. Bronze sculpture of King Arthur overlooks the Atlantic Ocean on the cliffs of Tintagel. The average Bentley customer owns 3 cars. The average of Bugatti customer owns 84 cars, 3 jets and 1 yacht. Dr. Sanduk Ruit is an eye surgeon from Nepal. This eye doctor restored the vision of 100,000 poor patients for free. In France, women can marry at age 15, men can marry until they are 18. Shoe bill stock don't attack humans, as they do is stare at you. Humans have been infected by so many viruses that 8% of our DNA is made up of them. First pay toilets were invented in ancient Rome in 74 AD. Tom Monaghan, the founder of Domino's Pizza, met his wife on his first pizza delivery. In Japan, the hand wash sink is attached on the toilet so that you can wash your hands and reuse the water for the next flush. In this way, Japan saves millions of liters of water. The Bible, the iPhone, and the Rubik's Cube are the top 3 most sold products in human history. Scientists designed a thermochromatic window that can absorb sunlight and turn it into electricity. Women in Paris were not allowed to wear a pants until 2013. Women of the Mursi tribe in Africa wear plates on their lips that can be as large as 5 inches in diameter. Dubai breaks Guinness World Record for the largest fountain. Giant Gippsland is the longest earthworm in the world. The official language of Nagaland is English. A crayon will burn up to 30 minutes than candle. Apple pays 57 lakhs to hackers for finding security flaws in its browser. Tigers are most revenge-taking animals in the world. 8 seconds of hug relieve depression by over 70%. The British Queen's handbag is a body language communication device. Voices behind Mickey and Minnie Mouse got married in real life. In China, you can get a girlfriend for $31 a month. A Korean news program actually filming on the top of the building instead of using a green screen. A facial is a term for the sexual activity in which one person ejaculates semen onto the face of one or more sexual partners. Thanks for watching.